Hello, this is Kennedy Botin. This is the second podcast for the class, and in this podcast, we'll be trying to see how we can write mathematical expressions from given statements. What we'll be looking at is some few tips, and then what the vocabularies are. One will be if I say the sum of, and then the difference of, and then the third thing we'll be looking at is the product of. Now, let's take an example. When I'm giving a question, let me give this example. Write an algebraic expression for the sum of three numbers. Here, we're looking for just adding three numbers. So we don't know, we call them x, y, and z are the three numbers. Then the expression can be written as x plus y plus z. Okay, we look at the second example. In this second example, we're going to use difference. Like the question says, that write an algebraic expression for the difference between 3 times a number and 4. That's also easy. When you look at the solution, it's just what? 3 times a number is 3x because we don't know the number. And then minus 4 will be the solution to this one too. That's also pretty easy. Now let's go to products. Here is pretty easy too. We see the question says that write an algebraic expression for the product of twice a number and 5. When we look at the solution, because it's twice a number, we put down 2y, and then we have what? 2y dot y dot 5. That's the multiplication, and that is easy too. Now let's take this a little bit, this example, which is a little bit involving. It says that write an expression for the sum of 3 consecutive numbers. You're saying the word consecutive. What does consecutive mean? We see that the first part is the 3, says that the sum of 3 numbers, so it's x plus y plus z. But then the next thing we have to look out for is what does consecutive mean. Consecutive means the number follow one after the other. So you see, we can say if the first number is x, then and the second number is y, then y is just x plus 1. And it follows that z will be what? X plus 2, because it's the second number after x. So the required expression will be the first number, we will just plug them in where x plus z, x plus 1, and then x plus 2. That is also easy, and we can simplify that, and we will finally get an expression which is 3x plus 1. So these things are pretty easy to handle, and they are easy to solve too. Let's look at some. Here I would like you to think about it. Follow what the solution is. But watch out. The question says write an expression for the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers. Okay, hope you follow it and you are able to understand whatever it says. Now this is okay. Try this one. Do this as your homework. Practice them. Think about the problem, and then when we meet in class, we'll discuss it. These are all pretty easy. Thanks.